What up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. If you guys been following my channel, you guys know that I'm all about entrepreneurship. I'm all about hustling. Basically what my channel is for is my channel is to teach you guys entrepreneurship, just show different ways how to make money and pick up a side hustle. So this week I'll be doing DoorDash. For all you guys who don't know what DoorDash is one of those like ride sharing apps. It's like Uber Eats. Basically what you do is you just bring people their food. Yeah, it's an app where people order food on, and you could accept or deny that order, and then if you accept it, you just bring them that order and you get paid for it. When I know the amount you make, it differs based on if the area is busy or not, and also how far you're going. So this is my first day. Just wanted to add it to this channel, basically show you guys that there are different amount of ways to hustle. A lot of people are jobless during the pandemic, so this is a good idea, or great way for them to pick up some extra cash on the side. This is also for people that work Monday through Friday. They have a regular 9 to 5, and on the weekends they might want to pick up some extra dollars. So I feel like this is a great way to do that as well. I'm about to get started in a little bit. I'm about to head to the gas station first, put some gas. It is my first day and I don't know what to expect. I did watch some videos on YouTube, so I have a little bit idea of what to do. I never did this before. So let's go. So I just put the gas. Let me get started on this app. Hey Damien. So as you can see, I haven't done my first ride yet. I've completed my background check and I added my bank account. Let's get started. And so for you guys who don't know, it said that start delivering order that don't require a red card. So the red card, from what I know, is like a debit card that DoorDash issues to you to pay for meals that the customer didn't pay for in the app. From what I know of, that don't happen frequently. Most of the time, the customer will pay online or on the app for the food already. So they're allowing me to start without the card. So there's 2 promos in my area. Add an extra $1 for peak pay until 9 o'clock. That's good. It said I get an extra $100 bonus if I do 25 orders. Let me dash now. And I'll do 2 hours for my first day, just to check it out and see how it's going. So start dashing. Okay, confirm that the phone is charged and enough gas. I just put gas. Okay, so let's see. It's a busy spot is Wingstop. Wingstop is actually right around the corner. I know where the Wingstop is. Let me drive over there. Actually, Wingstop is busy because I went to Wingstop about 2 weeks ago. It's a new order accept. Okay, got my first order, $20. So let's see. What do I do? 4 cherry, whatever, cherry pie, grilled salmon. Navigate? Let's see. Wow. This is a big order for my first order, $20. Let's see. Where am I going? I have no idea. Let me get on the main road. So as you guys can see, like I got my first order within like 1 minute. And the good thing is it's 3 minutes away. Well, 2 minutes now. Let's see if I have to wait when I get there or it'll be ready. So let me park over here and I'm about to walk into the restaurant and let you guys know what happened. I got 2 orders from this restaurant. Let me hurry up because they probably do soon. I don't want to be late because I heard when you're late you get bad reviews and you might not get a tip. So let me just take care of this real quick.
This is Melissa.
Okay.
And this is Sophia.
I just picked up the first delivery. It was pretty quick. I just went in there and I said I'm from DoorDash, and I basically just told them the names I wanted, and it was ready like in a minute. So that was good. So let me see what I do next. If I go back here, slide after arrival, and pick up. Okay, so I have to mark everything I picked up. So confirm pickup. And got that one too. Cherry. Confirm at store. And I'm gonna confirm pickup for this one too. So they said it's good. It's a good idea to check what you picked up, but it's tied up, so I'm not able to. I noticed that I got 2 orders at once. I thought it was one big order for $20, but it ended up being 2 orders. Because I was surprised. I was like, wait, what? 1 order for $20? That's crazy. So it ended up being 2 orders, and it was at the same restaurant, so that's good. I didn't have to do any extra driving. And both of them was ready by the time I got there. So that's great as well. These are about 10 minutes away. It's not too much traffic going on right now, so I should be able to make it there on time. And they want it to be left at the door, so that should be cool too. Yeah, so far I like it. It seems like a legit way to make money. And it's pretty easy. All you're doing is really putting some gas in your car and driving around. The good thing is that I didn't have to drive far for my first order. It was like 3 minutes away. So I'm not wasting gas driving across town. So 0106. Bruh, I don't think it's working, so let me just slide through the gate. Let me show you guys what it looked like on my screen. So I click direction so they could tell me where to go. Right now I'm in an apartment, I just gotta find the right building. It said 2206. Nope, 2206. Yo, there's some nice apartments, man. I gotta move over here. Okay, 2206 right there. I'm about to back in. I'm at my 3rd location right now. I'm trying to find the apartment number. Make sure I'm at the right place. Let me try right here. I'm gonna just walk over there. I'll be right back. Forgot to go and park. 1813 apartment 223. Let's see if I can figure this out. I'm back. Boy, I'm sweating. I got lost like 3 times. No lie. I kept going to the wrong apartment. I couldn't find the right apartment. And I went to like 3 different apartments. And eventually, and there's 3 stories, right? So I went to 3 floors 3 times. And then when I finally found the right apartment, I put it on the wrong floor. And then I confirmed the delivery. They was like, yo, wrong apartment. So I had to go back and put it in the right apartment. I've been doing this for like an hour and 20 minutes. I made like $31 so far. I'm noticing that DoorDash itself doesn't pay a lot. The base pay is $3. And then at nighttime, there's opportunities to make a bonus with peak hours and busy hours. So they usually get like an extra $1 or 2 during those times. And then another thing is a lot of customers, they do give a tip. So that's where a lot of the money do come in from tip and at peak hours. Other than that, I think it's like $3 base. I'm learning, I'm getting better. So next time I do come over here, I'll be able to find it easily. 3 orders down, and I'm on to the next one. I'm learning, it's my first day, and my next hotspot is 4 minutes away. Wait, let me go to New Hong Kong. Go to Zaxby's. Well, I got another order for $7 at Zaxby's. Sure. I guess I'm going to Zaxby's, y'all. Let's go to Zaxby's. I'm better than I ever been. So I just wanted to do this video for my first day. Show you guys what to expect and what I've been learning so far. I'm making a few rookie mistakes, but you know, as time goes by, I'll get better. Another thing I like is that the orders, they come in very fast. Alright, so I'm about to pull inside the drive-thru right about now. Hello, welcome to Zaxby's. Can I take your order? Skirt, skirt. Hello.
Thank you for choosing Zaxby's. My name is Carla. What can I get for you?
Hi, I'm picking up for DoorDash.
Alright, you can come inside.
I can't do drive-thru?
You can come forward.
I can do drive-thru, right?
Yes.
Alright then. She said come inside. I'm like, bruh, this thing so I can do drive-thru. But she's not gonna do drive-thru, so it's straight. I should have ordered me some fries, man. I'm hungry. All I got is an apple. Thank you.
No problem. Have a nice day.
You too. Bruh, she ain't get no drink? Nah, she got a salad. She ain't get no drink. See, I'm learning. Gotta make sure that the order's straight before you pull off, because they're gonna be mad at you. Damn, I'm going to another apartment. Hopefully I get it right this time. Oh, it's 2 minutes away. We lit. Oh my gosh. Don't tell me I just missed the apartment. Yo, I think I missed the freaking. I ain't missing. All right, we good then. For sure. Like Lil Durk said, for sure. Apartment 2. Look at these guys looking back at me like they wanna boop. 7118, 7104. All right, I'm finna get out of the car and go for a walk. I'm looking for apartment 7104. I don't get it. Bro, I'm in the hood too. Look, I'm in the projects. Making my way, walking downtown. As you guys can see, I'm lost again. And I'll say that's the bad thing about DoorDash is there's a lot of apartments and you do get lost. And the GPS don't do a good enough job telling you where to go. Another thing I could do is I could actually, if I want, I could call a customer and they'll direct me. But I'm just gonna thug it out. I found it. It was on the other side of the building. As soon as I dropped it off, another order came in for the same apartment. No, not the same apartment, for the same restaurant. So I'm about to head back to Zaxby's for another order. I just dropped off my 4th order. They talking about DoorDash just wrote me. Talking about keep dashing, it's getting busy. They begging. Now they begging. They desperate. They need drivers. See, I got leverage. They need me. All right, so I got another order. This one was $7. But, you know, it's pretty good because it's in the same area. It's like 2 minutes away. $7 order, and then it's probably not even getting delivered too far. I'm at $38, and it's been less than 2 hours. So I'm pulling up to my, I think, 5th delivery. So far, my experience with So far, my experience with DoorDash has been positive. You know, the orders come in very fast, and they keep me busy. And another thing I noticed is that the pay is pretty good. Like, most people have been giving tips. On the DoorDash app, they highly recommend people to tip because every time I order, they make sure that they put like a 20% tip even before you place your order. So that's really good that DoorDash enforced that because they know that the $3 they're paying for their base pay is not enough. And a lot of people won't do it. So DoorDash do a good job making it make sense. Another thing is that they do a good job getting you orders in on time and stacking orders as well. So if you're at a location, they make sure that if another order come in, they make sure they give it to you while you're there. The expectation is real because they give you a good amount of time to get there and deliver the food. There's nothing crazy. So right now I'm about to make my last delivery for the day on camera. I might continue off camera, but I'm gonna end the recording right here because it's getting dark. I had to turn on my car lights. The reason why I'm making this video is to promote entrepreneurship, promote hustling, and just really show you guys that are sitting at home that want to make money on the side, show you guys a different way, a different avenue how to make money, a different stream of income. And so far for me, my first day, DoorDash is pretty good. At the end, I'm gonna show you guys how much I made in 2 hours. And, you know, it is a Friday night. I'm not sure if today's a busy night, but I even checked the app yesterday, and it was still busy yesterday. I seen a lot of red zone, even though I didn't drive. So I think now is a good time for DoorDash because it's a pandemic, and a lot of people don't want to go outside. A lot of people don't want to go out. A lot of restaurants are not sitting people, they're only doing takeout. So I feel like now is a good opportunity for people to really just utilize this and go out there and hustle. You know, my channel, that's how I promote hustle. I'm showing you guys a lot of ways to make money. I know I'm going to be teaching a lot of real estate because that's one of the main business I'm in right now. Wait, hold on. So actually, let me pause real quick. So it's funny how I mentioned real estate and I came across a property that looks vacant. Let me write it down. Whoa, matter of fact, I came across 2 properties. So for all you guys don't know, I do invest in real estate as well. And I came across 2 properties that looks vacant. One looks vacant and the other one is boarded up. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. I feel like I've been around this neighborhood before because those houses look familiar. I think I'm actually pulling up. I passed it, you know me. But like I was saying, I'll be right back. I'm about to drop this food off, and when I come back, I'll show you guys how much I made in 2 hours. It's 477. All right, so this is the house I'm supposed to be at. That guy knew I was coming. I don't know if he's watching me or he got cameras or probably the app probably showed him, but I didn't even click delivery yet. All right, so confirm delivery. All right, so delivery complete. As you guys can see right there, it says $45. And I've been doing this for literally 2 hours. So not bad for 2 hours. That's actually pretty good. So I'm about to end the camera right now because it's getting dark and you guys probably can't see me too good. Okay, I got another order coming up at Chipotle. I'm gonna knock this one out. It's $8 and it's 3 minutes away. I wanna knock this one out. But I just wanted to show you guys that it's possible, man. So if you guys have any other these ride sharing app you guys want me to do, and I'll do it and I'll document it so that way you guys could get a good idea of how it works, what to do. I have no complaints about DoorDash. It's pretty good, and you know, it does make money, as you guys can see. The mileage isn't bad because I'm not driving far. Most of these places are pretty nearby. The Chipotle is 2 minutes away. So that's not bad at all. Damn, I do one from Chipotle too. There's a Popeyes right there. So this is actually the Chipotle I go to. Yeah, this is the Chipotle I go to. There's a shortcut right here. So like I said, I'm about to end the camera right now. Today was a pretty good day. In 2 hours, I'm at $45. So imagine if I kept going the whole night. The way I'm going, I could probably make $100 in probably 5 hours or less, depending on how the tips are coming in. And like I said, it's a pandemic, so the demand is here for ride sharing. And I'm out. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys need me to make any other videos, I plan on doing Instacart next. I plan on showing you guys a lot of other things that I do, bring you guys into my life, my journey, and show you guys what I do. I have a lot of businesses I do, and I just started this YouTube channel just to document and just show you guys what I do, and just try to be as open as possible. Give you guys the real spill. I'm not gonna lie and sugarcoat anything. I'm gonna show you guys the truth, the good and the bad. Just like how I showed you guys the truth about DoorDash, how I kept getting lost.